is my first vlogging video. I'm Salem, and this is my first video. So, as you've seen some of my other videos, I'm weird sometimes. Anyway, so this is my first video, and it's not at my house, it's at my grandparents', and they have a farm, so I thought it would be fun for you guys to see around the farm. And I'm not looking the best because, guys, poop. Farm life, okay? Okay, that's what we're working with here. Look at the fit. Oh. So good. Yeah, looking great. Anyway, so I'll be making a little video on the farm. And tomorrow I'm feeding calves, like the baby cows, and I'm gonna be feeding them. You're gonna see Peanut, my favorite. She's like not an average type of like cow. She's 50 pounds. Usually they're around 120, 100. So they call her a girl, but it's definitely a boy. He's a little wimp, but he's so cute. And so we'll be feeding them bottles and all this stuff, so you guys will get to see the baby calves. And I'm gonna have to close the gates tonight in about, 20 minutes, so I have to get to that soon, and I'll make a little sneak peek about that. Gotta take this side by side, the vehicle over, and close the gate, come back, go to bed, see you guys in the morning. So yeah, see you guys. This is the poop, that is the dog. Stop, Sailor, that's a poop scraper. Okay, these are all the cows. Oh, look, the bag's full. She's getting, all right, get, come on. Yeah. All right, so we got her in the milk, bag's full. Tells us on the robot, that's the milker robot here. Say hi. Okay, so gotta open these gates to let the cows out for the night. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay. Alright, so let's see. Those are my favorite type of cows. Yeah. You got the normal Holstein, these guys over here, but I like jerseys, and then you got like reds, and then you got the bulls and all that. So I actually don't know where my favorite jersey is, Eden 109. I think she's outside, but this is a jersey. She's pretty nice. Say hi, girl. The Holsteins are a little more skittish, but the jerseys are always fun. We got Mr. Valentino, the bull, right there. Yeah, so jerseys are the nice ones. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Show you the calves. Okay, see you guys. Oh wait, actually, I want to show you guys the milker real quick. Just get a sneak peek up in here. Yeah. Okay, so got the milk cows, and this is the milker. See, this is where they wash their teats, and then this is right where they milk them here. So, and the milk goes right in here. Oh. Okay, so where was that? Okay, stop. And then we got the milk cows. It's where all the milk goes. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Gotta go on the side by side here. All right, see you guys. Guys, I don't know where you guys politically stand. I don't want to offend any of you guys, but I just wanted to say it's Trump's birthday today, and I just wanted to say thank you, President Trump, for everything, and yeah, thank you. Happy birthday.